Good morning, student. Myself, Hansa, of your maths teacher, and as in previous video, we covered how to find out the zeros of quadratic polynomial and the verification between zeros and the coefficient of the given polynomial. And now today we will cover the division algorithm for polynomial. Division algorithm. Division, you know it very well. Algorithm is the process or the method which is used to solve the question, and we can say that the verification of polynomial, you know it very well. And first questions, divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Before solving this question, I want to solve one question like this. 125 if we divide by 7. Listen carefully. 7 here is 6. What is this? 6 is remainder. And this remainder is a remainder. This remainder is always remainder. This remainder is always less than, what is this? Divisor. This remainder is always less than the divisor. Remainder never equal to divisor or more than divisor. रिमाइंडर कभी भी डिवाइजर के बराबर और डिवाइजर से बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. Means same process we will apply in this question, but here the remainder will be less or more than the divisor. On what basis we can say? We have to check and then solve it. First we divide it. 2x, this is the quotient. P, let me assuming this is px is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and this is gx is equal to x plus 2. The degree of gx is 1 and degree of px is 2, and this px is divided by gx. अब क्या करेंगे? px को डिवाइड करेंगे gx से. 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय x प्लस 2. Before dividing the px divided by gx, before solving the question, we have to arrange the polynomial in standard form. We have to arrange the polynomial in standard form. This is standard form, this is standard form. And this is px, which is known as dividend. Like this. Here is dividend. Or this is divisor. This is divisor. And now when we divide, what will be here? Remainder. Here is quotient. When dividend is divided by divisor, then answer will be quotient and the remainder. The two other value we will obtain by given two values, dividend and divisor. And now how we have to divide? First, the highest degree of this polynomial divided by highest degree of this polynomial. Mean first we have to divide 2x square. Listen carefully. 2x square को divide करेंगे किससे? x से. तो what is your answer? X is 1. Here is x is 2. What is left now? 2x. This means this 2x is left, which will be the quotient. वो क्या जाएगा? Quotient होगा. This will be quotient. And then this quotient is multiplied like this. If 338 divided by 7, so then what we do? 7 5s are 30, 7 5 7 को मल्टीप्लाई किससे किया 5 से, तो here is same 2x is multiplied by which 5 which is divided by 7, 2x is multiplied by x plus 2, ये इससे मल्टीप्लाई 2x is multiplied by x plus 1, 2x multiplied x plus 1 which is equal to open bracket 2, here is 1, 2 multiplied 1, 2 multiplied 1 2, here is x और x multiply में base same तो power will add, here is 1, here is 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 into 2 2 and this x will be same, here is again 2 multiplied 1 2, x multiplied x x square plus 2 multiplied 1 2, x multiplied 1 x 2x square plus 2x, same right, and the like term 2x square below the 2x square and 2x is the below of the same degree of 2x. In case of divide 7 5 is 35. After this what we do? Subtract. Answer is 3. And now we have to subtract it. Here is minus and line. This will cut because 2x of plus sign, 2x square of minus sign, both are same and there one is positive, other is negative, they will cut. And now this plus 3x and this 2x, not this plus, and now this 2x is of minus. ये जो 2x है वो किसका है? माइनस का है. तो here is 3 plus and 2 minus, 3 plus 2 minus, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 and this x will be same. And now plus 1. And now the highest degree of here is x 1. 1 divided by this, or see this x is divided by this x. So what you have to do? इस x को divide करेंगे इस x से. So what is your answer? X divided by x, this will cut is equal to 1 and this one will be the plus sign and here plus 1. और ये this one जो quotient है that will be multiplied by divisor. What is divisor? X plus 1. So open bracket 1 into x, 1 into 1 1. So that means x plus 1 and the sign will change. This will cut, this will cut, this will be 0. So remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. And now one point is here. When remainder is 0, this will be cut or we can put 0. If we will cut, then either you have to put cross or you have to put 0. Or yeah, cross means they are cut, remainder is 0. Mean cross. And now after this, when remainder is 0, then what is the answer? When remainder is 0, then divisor means x plus 1. Divisor is factor of which one? Dividend. Which one? Dividend. Divisor is factor of dividend. Divisor is factor of dividend when remainder will be 0. When remainder will be 0, then dividend is the factor of divisor. Similarly, gx is the factor of px. Gx is the factor of px. Gx is the factor of px. And now move to next question. It means we can say that therefore 2x plus 1 is factor of 2x square plus 3x plus 1. For example, as you know, now here is the word is factor. If we divide 36 divided by 6, 6 is 36, this will be 0. This will be 0. 0 आ गया, तो रिमाइंडर इज 0. तो दिस 6 is factor of 36. It means factor is a number which is completely divide the given number. Factor is a number which divide the given number completely. जो given number को पूरी तरह से क्या कर देगा, डिवाइड करेगा. Either you have to cut it or you have to subtract it. This is the way and of to find out the quotient. Then what is quotient? Quotient is equal to 2x plus 1 and remainder is equal to 0. Quotient is equal to 2x plus 1 and remainder is equal to 0. And then we have to verify and we have to verify and verify. We have to verify. What is the verification? We know in junior class, we know very well for verification. Dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. And now what is dividend? This is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, what is divisor? Divisor is x plus 1. What is quotient? 2x plus 1. What is remainder? 0. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to open bracket. This multiply to both x bracket 2x plus 1. x will multiply, x जो multiply होगा इन दोनों से होगा, x multiply इस दोनों से होगा, plus here is plus, then this 1 we have to write 1 bracket 2x plus 1 and this will be same 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, and now open bracket, this multiplied to this x into 2x, this will be 2x square, here is plus 1 multiplied x plus 1 multiplied x, this is 1x and plus 1 multiplied to 2 and here is no x, here is x into x plus 1 multiplied 1 plus 1 and then again 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 2x square 1x plus 2x, 1x plus 2x, this will make 1 plus 2 3x and here is plus 1 and they are equal to each other. This is the verification. And now move to one example I am taking also to divide. One example, second, divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. This is your px, this is your gx. It is dividend or it is divisor. So that means we have to divide. First, we have to write this in standard form. We have to write in standard form. So divisor means gx, and px is equal to, what is px? 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. This is your dividend px. And what is gx? gx is equal to standard form x square plus 2x plus 1. And now we have to divide px by gx. Here is x square plus 2x plus 1 And now 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. What I told you, first what we do, highest power of variable 3x cube divided by x square, फर्स्ट टर्म या फर्स्ट टर्म को डिवाइड करेंगे फर्स्ट टर्म से, तो बोलिए 3, what I have to write, 3x cube, we have to divide 3x cube, 3x cube divided by x square, what is your answer? Here is 1, this will be same, 3 को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे 3, here is x की पावर 3, here is x की पावर 2, तो 3 पावर माइनस 2, 3 minus 2 which is equal to x, 3 है, 2 हट गए, 1 x, this is your 3x, and 3x we have to write here. This 3x which is quotient multiplied by this divisor, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे किससे, x square plus 2x plus 1, and now multiply it. 3 here is 1, 3 1 जा 3, x 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 2 जा 6, 3 और 2 6, x1 here is 1 plus 1, x2 plus 1 into 3 and x is same. This means we have to write the same degree variable below the same. 3x square we have to write below 3x cube, we have to write below the 3x cube. 6x square we have to write below 6x square, and this 3x we have to write here 3x, x square x cube, and now we have to subtract minus and draw line. Either you can cut or you have to subtract. 3x cube, this will be cut, this will be 0, need not write 0, or you can cut also. And now this is your 1 and this is your 6 which is equal to minus, and this 6 1 minus 6 minus 5, and x square is same. Here is plus 2, here is plus 2, here is minus 3, 2 minus 3, so through 2 minus 3 minus 1, what I have to write, minus 1 x, and this will be same plus 5. And now what is this, highest minus 5x square divided by which one, x square. This x square will cut, what is that, minus 5, the quotient is minus 5, and this minus 5 will multiply to x square plus 2x plus 1. Is it clear? And now multiply it. Now solve it, multiply it. What is your answer? Multiply करिए. This is equal to minus. Here is minus. Minus means अगर minus है, then the sign will change of each and every term inside the bracket. If there will be a minus sign outside the bracket से अगर बाहर minus में है, then sign of each term, this and this will change. The sign of each term will change. Plus will change into minus, minus change into plus. 5 minus 5. Here is x square plus minus 5 2 ja. This 5 multiplied by 2. 5 2 ja 10. Here is x plus minus 5 1 ja 5. And you have to write below this one minus 5x square minus 10x and minus 5. And now we have to subtract it. Here is minus, sign will be of plus. Here is minus, sign will be of plus. Here is minus, sign of plus. And now this one. Now when we solve, we will not assume this minus. We have to take this plus. Minus 5 plus minus 5 plus 5. Both will cut 0. Here is 0. And this is minus 1 and plus 10. Minus 1. It's going to 10 minus 1 9. And here is x. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10. This is your remainder. Either we have to put 0 or we can, I am saying again, we can cut it or we can cut it. This depends on you whether you want to cut it or not. If you will not cut, then we have to write 0. Is it clear? Minus, listen carefully, minus 1, minus, here is minus 1 x, here is plus 10x, minus plus 10 plus 1 minus 10 में से 1 minus क्या 9x. This is your remainder. Then quotient is equal to, quotient generally we write qx, 3x minus 5 and remainder is equal to 9x plus 10. Now we have to verify. Now verification. First, dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. What is dividend? Here is dividend. 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to divisor x square plus 2x plus 1 into quotient 3x minus 5 plus remainder 9x plus 10. We can write 3x minus 5 before than this one. हम इसको पहले भी लिख सकते हैं. This will be same. 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 open bracket x square multiplied to both. देखिए x square किससे multiply होगा? This x square 3x minus 5 bracket and now x square is complete. Now after that what is that? Plus 2x plus 2x bracket. What is that? 3x minus 5 bracket and now what is that? Plus 1 bracket 3x plus minus 5 plus 9x plus 10. 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to open bracket. Now you tell me yourself, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1 and this is 1. Now you have to answer it. Now बोलिए, I am giving you time. This is your, बोलिए 3, here is 1, 3x cube 2 plus 1 cube minus 5 1 5. Here is x square, only x square plus 2 3 6 x1 or x1 2 6x की power 2 plus minus, this is plus, this is minus, plus minus, this plus and this minus 5 2 10 and this is x plus 3 1 3 and here is x plus minus 5 1 5 plus 9x plus 10 and write like term 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. We have to write the like term together. 3x cube minus 5x square plus 6x square. Now we have to solve it now. So these are, what is this? Minus 5 plus 6, minus 5 plus 6, this will be x square and here is minus 10x plus 3x plus 9x or minus 5 plus 10. This will be same 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. This will be 3x cube plus x square minus 10 and this will be plus minus plus 3, this will be 9. 9 plus 3, 12 and this will be minus, so plus 2x and plus 5. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verify. This is the verification. But remainder here is 9x plus 10. It means this gx is not factor of, one point you have to write, gx is not factor of px because the remainder is not 0. Remainder is not 0. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा तो फैक्टर है, अगर रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आएगा तो फैक्टर नहीं है. In this way we can divide the dividend by divisor in a given polynomial and we can find out quotient and remainder. If the remainder will be 0, then the divisor is the factor of dividend. If remainder is not equal to 0, then divisor is not factor of dividend. And now some question I am giving you. Exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3 question number 1 and 2 with all part. And next video we will find out the zeros of a cubic polynomial. But zeros of party polynomial we have done. But in next video we will find out the zeros of the cubic polynomial. And good day and be at home. Thank you.